Luto tayo ng Portuguese tart. Para sa ating ingredients, 200 grams fresh cream or heavy cream, 180 grams fresh milk, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 4 tablespoon sugar. Mimix lang natin lahat yan hanggang sa mag-fully combine yung ating ingredients at ma-dissolve yung sugar. Tapos prepare na tayo ng puff pastry. Lalagay lang natin into molding cups, then poured in na yung ating batter mix. Then preheat na natin yung oven at 220 degrees Celsius, then reduce to 190. Then place natin yung ating batter mix and bake ng 15 to 20 minutes. Ganun lang kasimple. Halika, kape tayo.